Hello, welcome to another video focused on Python, Pandas, and Excel. In today's video, we're going to go in a bit deeper within Pandas Concat function. In the last video, we read data from multiple Excel files and used the Concat function to combine them into a single data frame. But we didn't go in the detail of the Concat function itself. So in this video, I want to just do exactly that. So concat function sits within a family of join functions within pandas, and the two main ones. I think if you're a beginner, you just want to focus on concat and merge. There are other functions, but these are the two main ones. And the difference between the two is concat just pulls data together. It doesn't try to do any kind of mapping, whereas merge tries to map data from one table to another. So it acts more like a VLOOKUP equivalent in Excel if you're familiar with it. So in this video, we're going to look at the behavior of concat because it's very important to understand how it would operate when you use it on large data sets. In order to explain that, I have set up two Excel files, team1 with the sales record. Please focus on that there's a column here. It has a March column with data in it, and it is and team 2 essentially is just having December data, but the structure is the same. So when I use in simplistic term, out of the box, if I use pandas concat, what I'm expecting it to do is lift this data, and I'm just going to show you in Excel and paste it here like this. So this is when uh, simple out of the box functionality. When we use an option in it, what it's going to do is it's going to stack this along next to the table along not vertically but horizontally. So these are the two main bits you could do in concat. Very powerful function, allows you to combine data very easily across various kinds of data frames. So let's quickly jump into the coding. Uh, Paths to two files, Excel files shown here. How we read the Excel file using pandas is this code. There's a video on it on my channel. Please have a look if you haven't already looked at it. And let me just show you this bit here. If I read this right out of the box, this is how it looks. And if I use an insert function within pandas and I'm saying insert a column names team, fill it with data called team1 and put it at 0 index. This is what I'm saying to pandas, and you can see it becomes first column team1. This is only to put a marker in when we combine the two data sets. Very similar thing is done with second data set. If I print this out as well, you could see the key difference is it doesn't have March column. And then in its basic version, the concat function is here. I'm just first going to do the basic version. Just pd concat team1, team2 within square brackets, and then print. And it does exactly as I showed you in Excel before. The empty cells are put as nans, and the data has been filled out in a neat way. You could also, you could see the nans here as well. It's simply because I've hashed out team2 inserts. I'm going to do that, rerun it, and you can see team2 comes in here. Now, what are the other things we can do? Rather than having to do this extra line of code, what I can do is I can use keys functionality within concat to mark these frames. Let's quickly do this, and you can see it's just added team1, team2 as a marker. Uh, Probably we don't need these inserts now because we have the marker generated from concat itself. Let's rerun it. You can see data is neatly presented. Now, the only other thing I want to show you in this is uh, you could access out of the box is default to 0, but if I state the access as 1, all it's going to do is take this data and put it right next to it horizontally. Let's see what happens when we run it. This is what it has done. So as you can see, Concat is pretty powerful out of the box. It can combine data sets very, very quickly, very neatly, a function you really want to have a good understanding of, and hopefully this video was useful and helpful. In the next video, we are going to look at merge, and we're also going to, in further videos, look at how to take these combined data sets and print them out into Excel files and also format them using XLS Writer. So watch out for the other videos, and thank you for listening.